Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your horn feedback in the all-new 2023 Kia Sportage. I have in front of me here an LX all-wheel drive in steel gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we're going to head into the instrument panel. We're going to use these buttons on the right side of the steering wheel here to navigate through. We're going to use the sheet of paper button to go sideways through the menu, up and down for up and down. And if we press this black button in, it will select OK for what's highlighted on the screen. So I'm going to use the sheet of paper button to go sideways over to the gear where the user settings are. I'm going to go down into door. And then you're going to see at the very bottom there is where horn feedback is. So right now this isn't on. So I'm going to go ahead and select it. And now I'm going to turn off the car and I'm going to step out. So now when I go to lock the car, I hit lock once to lock the doors. I'm going to press it a second time, and now the horn has gone off just to let us know that we fully locked everything, the alarm's set, and that everything is done. So it's just a nice audible kind of confirmation that you've closed up the car and everything. But if you're in an area where you don't want the horn going off whenever you go to lock it, you can always just make sure that's unchecked in the instrument panel, and then it will just do the initial lock. The lights will flash to let you know everything is locked, but it will not make a sound if you were to hit it a second time. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.